name is Stacey Madrid. Today is April 20th, 2019, and we are on week 7. This lab for this week is the gross anatomy of the central nervous system. So I'll go ahead and be naming 16 parts of the brain, okay? So this is the sheep brain I have. This side is the anterior, and then this back side is the posterior. And I'm not wearing my mask just so you guys can understand what I'm saying when I'm naming the areas, okay? So in the anterior portion, I'm gonna go ahead and name these two areas are the frontal lobes. And if I show you, sorry, the brain's already dissected because for our lab exercise we have to dissect the brain. So I'm facing it this way. These two areas right here are the parietal. And then if I go sideways, right here is the temporal lobe on both sides. And then at the ending of this portion right here, you can see it, are the occipital lobes. So these 4 lobes on each hemisphere pretty much make up the cerebrum, okay? And then you can see this pretty much this ball back here, this whole portion right here, it is the cerebellum. And then if we go back to this way, this big line across the two halves of the hemisphere is the longitudinal fissure. And then if we look close, these grooves that you can see on both sides, they kind of like dig in or they outline. Those are called the sulcus. And these ridges, which are pretty much like around the sulcus, are called the gyri. So that's it. Let's go ahead into the bottom of the brain. This is a ventral view. I'm gonna start from the top and go make my way down, okay? So up here, these two are called the olfactory bulbs. And then let's go a little bit down. These two right here are the optic nerves. Pretty much help with the vision. And if I lift this white sheet, which is the meninges, right underneath it, I will expose the optic chiasma. And then if you track the optic chiasma, you get the optic tract. Okay? And then underneath that right here is the mammillary body. And then this sheep brain, you can actually expose more nerves. I actually looked it up and they're called the oculomotor nerves, so they pretty much help the movement with the eyes. So that's cool to know. And then if we go a little more down, right here, this portion right here is the midbrain. Further down, right here is the pons. And if I keep going down, right here is the medulla oblongata. And then it'll go ahead and reach out to the brain stem. And then if you look at this ventral view, you can also see the parietal right here on both sides. And then just to show you guys can see the inner half or the inside half of the brain. Same thing, right here will be the pons, the medulla oblongata, brainstem. Here's the cerebrum. And then it actually goes more into detail with the hypothalamus and thalamus and all that. And it actually exposes some of the pituitary and pineal glands. All right, thank you.